Hi, today I'm going to show you how I made thousands of dollars using Upwork.com. My freelancing journey started back in 2013 or 14, and in that time when it was odex.com, I started my freelancing, and in that time I worked as a virtual assistant, and my clients were most of the American people and Australian people, and they were hired me in that time, and I was working in that time as a virtual assistant. And I worked in a versatile area, like sometimes I worked as a researcher, logo designer, data entry specialist. Sometimes I worked for them as a graphic designer, or you can say web designer, front-end designer in that time. But after 2015, when odex.com and elance.com were merged and Upwork formed, from that time I work here. And actually during COVID I started my profile in Upwork.com, and from then I work here as a graphic designer and photo editing expert. But after 2024, I didn't work here because of a lot of pressure and a lot of external works, external clients. They are hiring me outside of the Upwork.com, and I am so busy to work with them outside of this website. But here today, I'm going to show you how I earned and how I made these thousands of dollars from Upwork.com, and still my profile is active here. So I'm going to show you my profile. So let's go to the screen. So this is my profile. My name is Al Mamun. I belong to Bangladesh, and my profile name is graphic design, photo editing, e-commerce product, image editing expert. And in the very early, my profile rate was about $8 or $10 per hour, but now it is 15. Though I'm not working here right now, but still my profile is active, and I'm showing you so that you can be encouraged and you can be inspired, and you know that what type of work can be done from here. There are lots of works, and whatever works you can provide the clients digitally, you can do it here. And see my profile. I have earned here $3,000 plus 56 jobs and total 8 hours. I actually here did a fixed price job basically, and that's why my total hour is very less. Okay, now see, long time I'm not here and I'm not working in this website, but still there are lots of connects, 10 connects. Availability badge is off because I'm not working here, not active here. The profile is active actually. So see my skill. Here I provide background removing, clipping path, remove product, image background. Again, there are lots of portfolio, image masking, ghost mannequin effect services. These are my profile. So here are lots of clients, 41 jobs completed and 15 is in progress. In progress, that means client didn't end the job, and that's why it is in progress. Though I am not working with them right now, but still I'm in progress actually. And it is very easy now to me to contact with them to get new jobs, but still since I'm so much busy outside of this website, so I'm not contacting them. But still some of them contacts me sometimes. Last month I got one call and I worked one of them, and he gave me about $700 plus for 7 or 8 days work. So this is my profile, and I'm showing you here to inspire you So if you want to work still here in this website as a freelancer and want to earn dollar or money, you can create profile. And be aware, if you are not skilled enough, don't come first here. First get skill, be skilled and learn jobs and how to work the Upwork. Please search it, learn it, and then come here and try to approach yourself to the clients. And now it is actually a payable website. If you want to earn from here, at first you have to invest some money to buy connects, though they are providing some free connects. Every month you will get 10 connects as well, but 10 connects is not enough to get jobs, because in every job while you will go to apply, 10 connects will be needed. So in that, after that, you need to boost your gigs or boost your applications. So that's why 10 connects is not enough. So I recommend you to purchase some connects here and then apply jobs and boost some applications. And if you get your first job here, and if you can provide successfully, you will be successful here, and you will get recommendation, you will get actually invite from the clients directly. So I recommend you to work here if you can, and if you don't get a clear path how to work here, how to get profile successful, and how to get a job, so you can contact me. You can comment below in this video and I will receive. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video, and I think it will be helpful for you how to work in Upwork. So thank you so much.